Here we are. This is our hotel.
Finally, I am so tired.
Me too. It was a long trip.
The building is very pretty.
Yes, I read good reviews about it.
What do we do first?
We go to the front desk. We check in there.
Check in? What does that mean?
It means we tell them our name. They give us a room key.
Oh, I understand now.
It is easy. Don't worry.
I am not worried. I am just tired.
Let's go inside. The lobby looks warm.
What is a lobby?
It is the big room at the front of a hotel.
Oh, like a waiting room?
Yes, something like that. People wait there or relax there.
I see a big sofa inside.
We can sit there later.
I really want to sit down right now.
First, check in. Then we can rest.
Okay, let's go.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Good. We will need it.
I hope our room is ready.
I booked it early. It should be ready.
I really hope so.
Let's find out. Come on.
Wait, my suitcase wheel is stuck.
Here, let me help you.
Thank you, Max.
No problem. Let's go inside together.
This trip already feels like an adventure.
It really does.
I am excited now, not just tired.
That's the spirit.
Let's check in.
After you.
Such a gentleman.
Always.
I like this hotel already.
Me too. The doors are so big.
Wow, look at that chandelier.
It is beautiful.
This place feels fancy.
A little bit, yes.
I feel like a movie star.
Haha, let's go be movie stars at the front desk.
Okay, let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to the hotel.
Good evening. We have a reservation.
Wonderful. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, it is under Max Carter.
One moment, please. Let me check. Okay. Here it is. 2 nights, 1 room with 2 beds.
Yes, that is correct.
Can I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything looks good.
Oh, good.
I just need a card for incidentals.
What are incidentals?
Small extra costs, like room service or snacks.
Oh, I understand now.
Here is my card.
Perfect. Thank you very much. I am sorry, but your room is not ready yet.
Oh, really?
Yes, it needs 10 more minutes.
That's okay. We can wait. Thank you for your patience.
No problem at all. Would you like to sit in the lobby?
Yes, please. There is a nice sofa. Great. I will call you when it's ready.
Thank you.
This place really is comfortable.
It is. Let's sit down.
Would you like some water while you wait? Yes, please. That is very kind. Here you go. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your stay.
We will, thank you.
10 minutes is not long.
No, it is not. Let's relax.
I like this sofa. It is so soft.
Me too. I could fall asleep here.
Don't fall asleep yet.
I'm joking. Almost.
This lobby is really nice.
The lighting is warm and calm.
It makes me feel relaxed already.
That's the goal of a good hotel.
I think this was a good choice.
I agree completely.
Excuse me, your room is ready now.
Oh, perfect timing. Let's go.
Good evening. Can I help with your bags?
Oh, thank you. That would be great.
No problem. I will put them on the cart.
What is your name?
My name is Tomas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Tomas.
What floor is your room on?
Room 512, 5th floor.
Great. Let's take the elevator.
Is it far from here?
No, just a short ride up.
Perfect. Here we are. Watch your step, please.
Thank you.
This elevator's a little slow, but it's safe.
That's okay. We're not in a hurry now. Where are you visiting from?
We came from far away. It was a long flight.
Oh, that sounds tiring.
Yes, but we are happy to be here now.
I understand. Rest is important.
Do you like working here?
Yes, I like meeting new people every day.
That sounds like a nice job.
It really is. Here's your floor.
Thank you, Tomas. This way, please. Room 512 is right here.
Wow, that was fast.
Here are your bags.
Thank you so much for your help. My pleasure. Here's your room key.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay. Let us know if you need anything.
We will. Have a good night.
You too. Good night.
He was so friendly.
Yes, very helpful too.
I should have given him a tip.
What is a tip?
Oh, wait, you explain things to me usually.
Ha. A tip is a small amount of money. It says thank you for good service.
Oh, now I understand. I gave him a little money already.
That was kind of you.
I wanted to show my thanks.
Let's go inside and see the room now.
Yes, I am so curious.
Me too. Let's open the door.
Wow, look at this view.
It's beautiful. I can see the whole city.
The room is so clean and comfortable.
Yes, I really like it.
Look, there are 2 soft beds.
Perfect. You can choose first.
Thank you. I will take the one by the window.
Good choice. I like the one near the door.
This blanket is so soft.
I know. I already want to sleep.
Wait, first let's explore the room a little.
Okay, good idea.
What is this button here?
That controls the lights.
Oh, nice. And this one?
That is for the air conditioning.
I love hotel rooms. Everything is so organized.
Me too. It feels relaxing.
Should we call the front desk? I want extra towels.
Sure, we can do that. There's a phone here.
How do we call them?
We just press this button. It connects directly to the front desk.
Oh, that's easy. Let me call now. Front desk, how can I help you?
Hi, this is room 512. Could we get 2 extra towels, please?
Of course. We will send them up soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too. Goodbye.
That was easy.
Yes, hotels make everything simple.
I really like that.
Me too.
Should we unpack our bags now?
Yes, let's do that before dinner.
Good idea. I want to feel settled.
What does settled mean?
Oh, now I explain something. It means comfortable, like you belong somewhere.
Oh, I like that word.
Me too. It feels nice to say.
Let's unpack together.
Okay, I will start with my clothes.
I will put my shoes by the door.
This already feels like home.
A little bit, yes.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too, Lily.
I'm getting hungry now.
Me too. Should we ask about restaurants?
Yes, let's ask the concierge.
What is a concierge?
Oh, I actually know this one. It's a person who gives advice about the area.
Oh, that's helpful. Let's go find them.
They are usually near the lobby.
Let's go downstairs.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, we are looking for a good place to eat.
Of course. Do you like Italian food?
Yes, we love Italian food.
There is a wonderful restaurant 2 streets away.
That sounds great. Is it far to walk?
No, just 5 minutes on foot.
Perfect. We like walking.
I recommend the pasta there. It's very popular.
Thank you for the recommendation.
You're welcome. Do you need a map?
Yes, please. That would help.
Here you go. The restaurant is marked here.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your dinner.
We will. Thank you.
This hotel really thinks of everything.
I agree. Everyone is so helpful.
Let's go get some food. I'm starving.
What does starving mean?
It means very, very hungry.
Oh, I am starving too then.
Ha, let's hurry.
Should we come back after dinner?
Yes, we can relax in the room later.
Sounds perfect.
Let's go.
I'm excited to try the pasta.
Me too. I heard the sauce is amazing.
I can't wait.
Let's follow the map.
This way, I think.
Yes, just 2 streets.
Look, I can already smell food.
Ha, me too. We're close.
This is turning into a wonderful evening.
I agree completely.
Dinner was so good.
Yes, that pasta was amazing.
I am so full and happy now.
Me too. What a nice evening.
Can I tell you something, Max?
Of course. What is it?
This is my first time staying in a hotel alone with a friend.
Oh, really?
Yes. Usually I traveled with my family.
That must feel different.
It does. A little strange, but also exciting.
I understand that feeling.
My mother used to check the room first, every time.
What did she check?
She checked the locks, the towels, everything.
That's sweet. She wanted you to feel safe.
Yes, I miss her a little tonight.
That makes sense. New places can feel that way.
But I also feel proud of myself.
You should feel proud. You are doing great.
Thank you, Max. That means a lot.
Of course. I'm really glad you're here.
Me too. This trip feels special already.
It really does.
I think I will remember this hotel for a long time.
Me too. It has been a good first day.
Yes, a really good first day.
Let's get some rest now.
Good idea. Tomorrow we'll be busy.
Good night, Lily.
Good night, Max. Thank you for today.
You're welcome. Sleep well.
Good morning, Max.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. This bed was so comfortable.
Same here. I feel completely rested.
What a wonderful first night.
I agree. Let's think about everything we did.
We checked in at the front desk.
Yes, and we learned what incidentals means.
Right. And Tomas helped us with our bags.
Yes, and you learned what a tip is.
I remember that. I gave him one right away.
You did great.
Then we called the front desk for towels.
That was so easy.
And the concierge helped us find dinner.
The pasta was the best part of the night.
I agree completely.
And you shared something personal with me too.
Yes, about my mother. Thank you for listening.
Anytime, Lily. I'm here for you.
This was such a good experience.
I learned a lot too, actually.
Like what?
Like how kind hotel staff can be.
That's true. Everyone was so helpful. I really loved this hotel.
Me too. Maybe we'll stay here again someday.
I would love that.
Are you ready for today's adventure?
Yes, I am ready.
Then let's check out and continue our trip.
Let's go, Max.
After you.
Such a gentleman, again.
Always, Lily. Always.